Hi friends, today I'm in Big Lots. You know what that means. Let's go shopping. So with Black Friday straight ahead of us, I figured I'd do a quick walkthrough of Big Lots, give you guys an idea of what they have in Christmas home decor before you head out shopping. They have this line by Broyhill. It's my favorite. I'm starting with it. Gorgeous pieces. Now, Broyhill is a higher priced brand, so like those trees are $20, the snowflakes are $14. They have this really beautiful home sign that is a leaning sign for $30. Now, those are going to be the higher priced items in their collection, but I want to let you know that they're always running sales, 30 to 25% off, and I'm sure that there will be plenty of in-store Black Friday deals to be had. I would recommend downloading the Big Lots app. I have been able to score big on decor and different home pieces by just having that app that gives you an extra percentage off. So let's start out with this very, I think, high-end looking, almost Pottery Barn styled collection. It's just so traditional. I'm going to walk you guys through everything else they have, from their traditional bright red and white to their metallic pieces. We're going to see the trees and the lawn ornaments, the pillows and stockings, and everything in between.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve.
but right now we are switching gears from all of the reds to more of the wintry whites, and then we're going to see a little bit of blue in this collection. Then we'll move on to some more areas. So it's interesting to me that they do have all kinds of bath accessories in different color combinations. So if you're looking for that, definitely check out Big Lots. I found a few fun little countdowns on an end cap. Now we're going to take a look at some of their other decor. It's along a back wall. I'm going to show you guys a few of my favorites and some of their ornaments before we move over to the trees and all of the outdoor things.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. 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 hot chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Now, I will tell you, I am eyeing a few of these things, especially this angel. We got one last year from Lowe's. Let me know if you guys would like to go to Lowe's and see what they have out for Christmas. Yeah, and this would be a great sister for her. I think that's a good price. I'd love to know how you decorate outdoors for Christmas. Comment down below and let me know. We used to do gingerbread, and before that we did snowmen. Now we're on angels with a few reindeer thrown in. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Big Lots. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you back very soon.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine.